Yo, my name's Liam Cave and this is my bike check. Alright, so to start things off, I've got Odyssey Broc Raiford signature grips, and I've also got Fiend team bars as well, which are actually quite good, quite small, good for bar spins. And then as well as that, I have a Salt Plus, what is it? Yeah, just Salt Plus stem, just standard, pretty much get any of these. Yeah, flipped it upside down for a little bit of extra height because I'm too cheap to buy a top loader. And then also got Salt Plus headset with just a random headset spacer that I nabbed off my mate. For the next bit, I have a èclat Wethepeople Volta frame. This is from the 2012 edition Volta, I'm pretty sure. And for my seat, I have the proper Boqer signature seat, tripod, and for the seat post, I've got the proper seat post that basically comes with the Boqer seat. And then as well, for my forks, I've got the Fiend Invest cast forks, which are pretty good, go with the bars, matching, looks pretty nice and strong as well. They're really good for drops, so like all for street and things like that. I have gonna do my cranks, and I have the èclat aeon. That's what I'm pretty sure they're called. I probably butchered that horribly. Cranks, and they're nice and slim cranks, pretty good, nice and strong. Got these as replacement ones, but doing pretty sick at the minute. And as well for my pedals, I'm running the Colony Fantastic pedals, which are nice and strong. These are my favourite by far. I've been riding these for ages at the minute. And literally, like, I've never broke a set. I've worn them down, took the plastic pins off, but then again, that's pretty much how you kill pedals anyway. For my sprocket, I have the èclat vent guard sprocket. Now, yeah, like, saved my ass a ton of times, does exactly what it says, nice and strong, very strong actually, and broke it. And then for my bottom bracket, I'm running a Fiend bottom bracket, 22 mil, I think. 22, I think. 22, I'm pretty sure, for this one. And then on that, and as well, just for my chain, I got an èclat half link chain. Yo. I'm running BSD donnasqueak tires in black, both of them 2.2, front and back. Probably run about 80 psi in these ones because I'm not parking enough for any more than that. And then also for my front wheel, I've got the èclat trippin rim, pretty sure it's called. And to that, I got that laced to a Salt Plus front hub, just a standard one. I mean, I have no idea what it's called. And then that's just laced with just some random spokes. And then for my back wheel, I have a gsport rollcage rim, and then I got that laced to a profile Z coaster with 45-degree slack ring in it. Been running this not very long at the minute, so haven't got any hub guards, which explains why I'm only running one peg. And at the minute, yeah, I should have 2 of the èclat Venom pegs. They're metal pegs, got plastic sleeves on them, so nice and strong for grinds and that, and nice and slidey as well because of the plastic sleeves. So basically, and not a lot of people know, about these Z coasters, but they're actually a cassette and a free coaster at the same time, and that's kind of what makes them special. And what it works is by, you got slack rings in them, and basically if you put the cranks into the kind of little area of slack, then it engages and it turns into a cassette, and that allows you to do things like tire taps and just tricks like them where you need like pedal pressure. But once you put it out, so I got 45, so if I move it back 45, there it disengages, so now it goes like a freewheel. So now you can coast it forward and back without, you know, worrying about needing to pedal back and things like that. And then yeah, just switch it out as well.
And engage it,
yeah, and then just to engage it, you just put it back into that place of engagement. So you push it forward 45 degrees again, and then that engages it, puts it back into the cassette mode. Inner tubes. Probably got some Wilkinson's inner tubes, don't know. just something cheap. I don't spend a lot of money on inner tubes and that. I guess rim tape. I got cinema rim tape in the back wheel, I think. And then just some red rim tape in my front, which I found and scabbed off another wheel. Don't know what that is. It's either that or it's electrical tape, I'm not even sure. Honestly, it's red. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. Pretty sure that's my bike. Anyway guys, thanks for watching my bike check. Any parts I've missed, because I probably might have missed an absolute crap ton. Links to that will be in the description down below. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. And also follow me on Insta at @lcave_BMX, and also follow the filmer Matt White on Insta as well at MattWBMX as well. And yeah, sick.
Bar full cab out of the ball.
debatable.